Do you want to know how you can start your free trial in Crunchyroll? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech It Simple. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can start your free trial in Crunchyroll. Go ahead and open Crunchyroll. Come on your Chrome or Edge browser, and then log into your account. You can see the Try Free Premium. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you must choose your plan. You can see that there are 3 plans: the Fan, Mega Fan, and another Mega Fan option, which is yearly. So, you can go ahead and click on Start 14-day free trial in one of these. Then, you can input your card number, expiry month, expiry year, CVV, your location, and your postal zip code. After that, click Start Free Trial and authenticate your transaction. And then, you can start your free trial. Let me show it to you once again, guys. Go ahead and click Try Free Premium, which is over here. It will lead you to this page where you have 3 plans to select. Go ahead and select the plan of your wish, and then go ahead and fill in the information of your card, like card number, expiring month, expiring year, CVV, your location, and your zip or postal code. There might also be some alternative payment options, so go ahead and click on these. And if there are some alternatives, you can use other methods as well. I hope this video about how you can start your free trial in Crunchyroll was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us in the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.